Are you a business owner that is struggling to gain momentum and engagement with digital marketing? Imagine what it would be like if you could run your marketing campaigns without stopping, even while you sleep. We have created the ultimate chatbot system that is going to allow you to get more traffic and generate leads on autopilot on your website and Facebook page. Your customers can buy goods through the chatbot, can make appointments, or can ask the chatbot for help, all without the interference of a human. Your customers can also subscribe to the chatbot so that you can reach out to the customer whenever you want. The chatbot can also be used for automated customer service to provide information or to push your products and services. The chatbot will reply instantly, which leads to happy customers and an excellent response rate. Finally, our chatbot can collect emails and phone leads within the Facebook Messenger system. The possibilities are endless. The time has come to make a decision that is going to allow you to regain that much-needed competitive edge.